unboxing the potential wheels for the E92 M3. Still trying to find two more, and then I also may grab two more of these just because of the price. But yeah, I found a vendor. So, and as you guys can see, unbuckle Forgestar funny box here. So, I know the blood clot thing I go. Let that scratch too far down into the box. Lightweight performance wheels. Before signing for free. The tape must be intact. Oh, that's for free. This wasn't free. This was just ground. It's been a long time since I unboxed wheels. And then it's also perfect that I got these, because in case I need to ship some wheels in the future, I have boxes. So I'll be keeping these. This is actually 4 boxes for wheels. So watch ya bomba clot. Oh. Alright, let me just take that aside. Bomba. Madina bro. It's so Madina bro. Has the lip rings on it. This is just so perfect. So many things for me to ship wheels with in the future. Oh, that's actually a fire color. And then it has the carbon center cap. Super dark, super deep concave. Satin anthracite or matte anthracite, one of the two. These things would look so good on the car. Super deep concave. So per usual, oh, we do need valve stems, so I gotta grab those. But yeah, these are the wheels. I gotta grab 2 more. But yeah, wow. I love Forgestars. They look so good. Forgestar F14s, the E92 M3 starter pack, but blood clot. This something me I mean, you fuck. Could it concave? Not easy, you know. And then this one here, I'm just gonna be opening because I have to open it just to check the content, just to make sure, you know, everything is kosher. But that's so satisfying. Oh, this one is upside down. Whoopsies! This bag is kind of annoying. You know what, actually doesn't even matter. What's wrong with it? I'm doing a lot. Where did I just put mad slow? Plus, I would have had to retape this anyway. So thing I don't get is where they, is this where they put the offset? Okay, so that is where they put the offset. Offset! So, 19 by 11, 27 offset. Good. So yeah, we're all set. And actually right now, I'm about to make a quick call. And then, because I do have to order these two, and then I'm also going to email Forgestars to get a pair of fronts as well. So I'll be ordering 6 more wheels. I mean, 4 more wheels. No. Yeah, 4 more wheels or 6 more wheels, depending on the price that I can get, because the vendor that I found is very good. And no, this is not an Alibaba one. Not that I'm opposed to such a thing, because I am going to get a set of Alibaba forged wheels for the M3. But I just needed something temporary to get those Fugazi 37s off, because I do not like Teehees. I rather the real thing, at least for those, unless it's a custom spec. And if that is the case, I would do like some Alibaba forged ones, because they'd be forged aluminum and my custom spec, and not just like some, what do they get, Vordoven or ESRs or anything like that. And again, ESR does own a lot of the or does manufacture wheels for a lot of companies, but the ESR wheels like this that are like cast or whatever, not good. So when it's forged wheels, cast, not good. Forged aluminum, yes, good. If it comes in the mumbo, that boy a flyer fuck. Yeah. Anyhow, that's the end of this video for now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tomorrow is my day off, which is Thursday, and we're going to be trying to get the front suspension stuff put on. If not, that'll be done on the weekend. And also on the weekend, because tomorrow we should be getting the 402 sensors. So I should be able to get the exhaust fixed temporarily until we get an actual exhaust made, because as you guys saw in the last video, the exhaust quality is trash. So yeah, don't get cheap exhausts on E92 M3s. Spend a couple dollars and get a good one, or just buy like a decent, because what is it, active test pipes are like $200, and then you can get like a Megan, what is it, Megan, I think it's a Megan, I forget what brand it is, but it's another $250 for a what do you call it, axle back. And then you could just put like the 2 straight pipes in between, or you can use the stock X. But regardless, don't just get a cheap muffler shop throwing together exhaust with a bunch of welds. Now the video's done.